Hey Juliet.
Hey Chloe, what are you doing today?
I'm just going to the Cal to study Catalan for a few hours.
The Cal? What's that?
It's the Independent Language Learning Centre at the University of Valencia.
Okay, and what can you do there?
You can study Catalan and English.
Okay, and what materials are available?
There are worksheets, manuals and different types of books. For example, there are audio books in English.
Audiobooks? What are they?
They are books which come with a CD, so you can practice your reading and your listening skills at the same time. There are audio books for all levels from A1 to C2.
Okay, and is there anything else?
Yeah, there are novels, magazines and DVDs to help too. You can borrow some of the materials from the Cal to practice at home, but others can only be used inside the Cal.
Okay, so what materials can you borrow?
Well, for Catalan, you can borrow magazines, the DVDs and the CDs in Catalan. And for English, you can borrow the magazines, the audiobooks, the DVDs and the novels.
Okay, so what materials can you only use at the Cal?
You can use the manuals, the worksheets and the practice exam papers. There are lots of different manuals to help practice your vocabulary, your grammar and your pronunciation.
Okay, and if you don't know the meaning of a word?
Well, there are also dictionaries and computers, so you can use the internet to help look up a word.
Okay, and are there listening exercises?
There are lots of different listening materials such as manuals, magazines, audiobooks, and you can use the internet resources. You can use the computers and the headphones to do the listening exercises.
Okay, so you can practice reading and listening, and you can do grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation exercises.
Yeah.
And what about speaking?
Well, there are different levels of Catalan and English conversation groups, and for English you can also do mock exams.
Mock exams? What are they?
They are simulations of the various oral exams you can do in Valencia. For example, the oral test for the Official School of Languages and the speaking part of the Cambridge First Certificate.
Okay, and can you practice writing as well?
Of course, you can do as many essays as you want and they will be corrected for you.
Okay, and if you have any questions, is there anybody there to help?
Yeah, there are English and Catalan specialists who will answer all your questions and help you to improve both languages.
Okay, great. So where is the Cal?
There are three. There is one on the campus of Llengües, one on the campus of Tarangers, and one on the campus of Burgessot too.
And are they open every day?
They're open from Monday to Friday, 9 AM until 8 PM. But why are you asking me so many questions?
Oh no, it's just because my flatmate Leia is going on Erasmus next year. But to go, she has to prepare her English B1 certificate. So I think I'll tell her to go to the Cal.
Yeah, of course. Tell her to go and speak to the English specialist there who will help her to prepare for her exam, and she will find lots of useful resources.
Okay, yeah, I definitely will.
In fact, why don't we go now together and I'll show you?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, perfect.